You know,
Alright, what's going on? What are we doing?
fuck everything, fuck everybody. I'm using start off the entire time now.
Alright.
Alright, whatever.
Jimmy,
Yeah, so,
totem pole.
I know this would be so fun if Robert was alive.
Oh.
You kidding me right now?
Huh?
That's me, man.
Huh? Come here, me and you, bro. Let's go.
Oh, you wanna fucking go? Make something of it, boy. Oh god,
move.
there's a guy, dude. There's a guy.
Oh, there's a guy
Yo,
there.
let's do it again next round.
Oh, dude, we did that so good.
Yeah,
That was so cool.
yeah, we're real good, man.
Alright, dude, watch this. Silver, back up, I got him. Come here.
Come here, come back. Dude's running away. Yeah, Rob, you wanna get on?
Sounds good. Yo, check out this. Snap.
To the target.
Yeah. Snap.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's what you guys should do, dude. Fucking play spin roulette, dude. Spin roulette right now. Spin roulette, yeah. Oh.
Run into the corner.
Too late.
I made it.
Oh, yeah, you dude. Robert's dude felt like he was like a fat person running.
Have second thoughts.
All right, ready? This is gonna confuse them.
What?
They actually shoot at it and laugh so hard.
They did shoot
Did
at
they?
it. Yeah. Oh god.
Fuck. I thought this was gonna be the button for the vehicle.
Oh,
I don't know what button it is.
it looks so similar.
No.
Come here.
Where are you?
Hi.
Oh, you are.
Bullshit, man.
All right. When they make their appearance, I'm just gonna throw the smoke down and we're gonna hide in smoke.
Okay.
Do it.
Whenever they decide to show up.
Do it.
Oh, they're showing!
Oh god.
Oh!
Would they
Might-
get along?
Might have been a little bit too late.